Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The department is entrusted with the responsibility of ensuring fire safety, fire prevention and response. The expertise gained in all three fields has enabled the department to become a multi-hazard response force. The ceremonial event of annual inspection parade serves the purpose of bringing performance to optimum level through various competitions, and this has had a salutary effect on the competence of the staff to meet the responsibility they are entrusted with. During the calendar year 2020, the fire and emergency services have collectively attended 6,218 fire and emergency calls, 2,379 fire calls and 3,839 emergency calls, during which 96 human lives and 585 animal lives were saved. As a part of COVID-19 protocol, the firefighting personnel undertook sanitization work of 3,740 places across the state of Goa, which included containment zone, public places, COVID hospitals, etc. The initiative of the department in training the community, school teachers, students and village panchayat citizens, and also imparting training to candidates of various states and union territories and other institutions has been ongoing effort.